Welcome to Mosat Digital Agency free Google Ads tutorial platform. If you are a beginner aspiring to be a digital marketing expert in Google Ad advertising, this is the right place for you. Because in this tutorial platform, we will dish out every needed tools and skills to help you to transit from being a beginner to Google Ad expert. All you need to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on our Facebook page, like and share our content. Or if you are a business owner or a small business owner who want to do it yourself, this is the right place for you because we will show you every tools and settings that will aid you to manage your Google Ad advertising yourself, scale and boost your return on ad spend. What of Google Ad expert? Yes, if you've been in the field of Google Ad expert, this is the right place for you also because occasionally we'll be dishing out professional and expert tips that will help you to increase and enhance your digital marketing skill. All we ask is for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get every update tutorials as it comes by. My name is Moses and I am the PPC director at Mosat Agency. For over 5 years, I've been in digital advertising using Google Ad PPC channel to scale the return on ad spend of my clients. And what I want to do now is to give back to society. Take a look at my Upwork profile. My Upwork profile shows that I have earned over $100,000, completed over 48 projects as a certified Google Ad PPC expert and performance marketing strategist. So I created this Google Ad PPC free tutorial platform to help beginners to transit, to equip them with the needed skills, to help small business owners to maximize their return on ad spend instead of wasting money on irrelevant costs, or if they don't have money to hire a PPC expert. So all you need to do, as I mentioned, is subscribe to our YouTube channels, follow us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook page, like and share our content. Thank you.